Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Favorlite Gooseneck Worklight with magnet. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So here's the light. So this requires 3 AAA batteries, and it does come with batteries. Here's the user manual. It says flexible light pole, spotlight, zoom in, zoom out, on-off button, and magnetic. The material is aluminum. The light source is a 3-watt LED. The power supply is 3 AAA batteries. Included, remove the battery insulator before use. Work modes are on or off. It says install, replace AAA batteries included. Make sure the batteries have been installed in the correct direction. Warning, do not look directly at the light. This is not a toy and should not be handled by infants or children. Children under 6 should not use this product without adult supervision. Okay, so here's the light. It says remove the insulator before use. So I'll unscrew the bottom here. So it looks like this is the insulator. Let's see if we can get the sticker off here. Okay, so I got that off. We'll put this back in. So this does have an O-ring on it. There we go. So to turn this on and off, we'll press this button here. There, it's on. So we can change the focus on this. We can pull in and out on the lens, like so. So that's more of a spotlight. This is a more broad light. So let's look at the construction of this. It has a knurled handle, so it has a nice grip on there. It has a flexible neck, so this is all machined aluminum here, and then this is metal, and then it has this kind of rubberized coating on it, so you can bend it to whatever shape you want. And this feels like aluminum up here too, where you move it in and out. So here you can see the LED light in there, maybe. There you go. So we can see the chip there, and you can see it focuses. So the bottom side has a magnet, so that'll stick to metal surfaces. Let's stick that to the side of my bench here. So there's a wooden top here, but there's metal under it. So that sticks on there very nicely. So I'm going to point this at the wall so we can see the kind of light that this casts. So currently the light and the camera are both 4 foot from the wall. I'll turn the light on. So this is lighting up a circle on the wall. You can kind of see the edges. I'll move back and forth. The edges are right at the edge of the frame. And then I will move this forward. And now, if we move it forward all the way, we can actually see the chip on the wall. I'll pull it back just a little bit. You have more of a spotlight there. So I'm going to go show a couple different applications of where you can use this now. Okay, so here I'm at my drill press station. This whole thing's made of cast iron up here, so I can stick it to the side there. I can turn it on, and then I can point it right to where I'm working. I could also reposition this. Here I moved it back a little bit and curved it so it's pointing down at the center. So here's my car hood. So my car hood is made of aluminum, but it has a plate here on the hinge. So I can attach it to that, and it can shine down on the engine. Let me shut the light off here. So I have this in the wide angle mode. I can adjust it here. There we go. Now we're in the narrow mode. So I could point this to whatever I'm working at if I wanted. I'd probably make it a little wider than that. Lastly, here it is on my furnace. So I have it attached to some metal adjacent to the furnace, and I have the light shining into it. So I could use this to, say, diagnose a problem. Of course, there are many places I can mount it over here. I can mount it above also, like so. And there, we're shining in the furnace. So that's the Favorlite Gooseneck LED work light. This is a very versatile light. I think it would be great for automotive applications. You can stick it to a surface, but then you can aim the light itself at exactly what you're working on. This would work well, for instance, when I'm working under my dash. I can stick this to some metal under the car and then point this to what I need to point it at. And it doesn't take up a lot of room. When I use a traditional work light, it usually has to sit on the floor of the car and shine up. It's shining in my eyes and it gets in the way. This is much more useful. But it would also be great for woodworking, plumbing, craft work, grilling, camping. There's many applications for this. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.